A wall-mounted fold-down changing table with organized pockets is a space-saving must for compact family homes. Start by choosing a wall-mounted fold-down changing table rated to support at least 30 pounds and fasten it into studs using 3/4-inch lag bolts so the unit cannot pull away. Position it at a height that lets caregivers stand with a slight bend in the knees to protect their back, and add a soft foam changing pad that secures with straps to prevent sliding. Integrate diaper and wipe pockets on the inside face so essentials are reachable without bending to a shelf, and use labeled clear pouches for quick inventory during night changes. For families wanting a multi-use solution, install a built-in dresser with a removable changing top that locks in place with simple metal latches. Remove the top when the child no longer needs changing and you have a full dresser. Consider an overbath changing rack for smaller bathrooms that clamps to the tub edge with rubberized grips and includes drainage slots to avoid moisture buildup. Add an integrated laundry hamper unit under or beside the changing area that has a removable washable liner and odor-resistant closure, and mount a stroller storage hook near the door at a 45-degree angle so you can hang and swing the stroller without blocking traffic flow. The three most common issues are insecure mounting, poor organization, and moisture damage, and each has a direct fix. If the unit feels unstable, stop using it and refasten the mounting plate into studs with longer lag bolts and use a spirit level to ensure it is straight. When pockets and surfaces get cluttered, install a magnetic checklist on the inside of the fold-down panel and rotate supplies weekly so expired items are removed and restocking is quick. For moisture problems in bathroom or overbath setups, choose powder-coated metal or marine-grade plywood and add ventilation by leaving the changing top slightly ajar after use to let air circulate. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners and contractors around specific solutions like fold-away baby changing stations and nursery storage, so we can help people find local help for installation and custom builds. We host a discussion community where our members share real installation tips, product recommendations, and before and after photos so our users can learn from each other and contractors can find work.